Today I'm reviewing the Qi wireless power bank that uses a suction cup design to connect to any cell phone that uses wireless charging, such as the Google Pixel 3. Let's do an unboxing and see what we have. So here is the device, and then there's a charging cord for the device. It's important if you're going to use a wireless charging system that the charging system gets charged as well. So that looks like it fits right into here. And then this will plug into your wall charging device. And then if you want to charge your phone, you can plug that in there, and then for phone styles that use that style plug, you can use that. Otherwise, you can plug in another phone device. I'm actually going to use, though, the wireless feature where it connects to the back of a phone. So we'll just connect it in like this. And then the one other part is that there's a switch on the side, so I need to activate that. Okay, so now I see that there are some little power dots here. I can give my phone a second to recognize that it is indeed charging. Trying to focus that a little bit better. So you can see the phone is in charge mode and the device is on the back. Now, one of the things I like about this is that it doesn't block the camera, so it's right in the charge zone, and you can see then the power level lights that indicate the charge level on the charging device. Cool. Well, that'll be a new toy to play with. So now I'd like to demonstrate how this actually works on the phone. What you'll need to do is press the power button on the back of the device, and then you'll see that the lights have activated. And then you need to make sure that this sensor is in the charging space on your phone. And secure it, and then you saw that it just went into charge mode. So you can indicate, or you can see here, the indicator indicates that the phone is currently charging. And it's secure on the back here, so I can hold by the power supply and then just have the phone available charging wirelessly wherever I want to go.